Resetting your vagus nerve can be achieved through various methods. 1. Breath work. Slow, deep breathing or alternate nostril breathing can help reset the vagus nerve. 2. Cold water. A cold shower or bath, or even splashing cold water on your face, can stimulate the vagus nerve. 3. Direct sunlight. Sunlight boosts MSH, another hormone that supports the vagus nerve. 4. Healthy lifestyle choices. Gentle exercise, meditation, and a nutrient-dense diet act as non-invasive forms of vagus nerve reset. 5. Holistic interventions. These include multiple types of massage, breathwork, and laughter.